Let's continue with Paschimottanasana. Come to Dandasana and use the 3 fundamental of correct sitting. So ground with the sitting bones, sacrum deeply in the body, and bring the weight towards the leg. Engage and activate as well as ground the back part of the leg. With an inhale, raise the hands above, stretch your spine, and with an exhale, slowly bend forward from the hip. You can reach either your calf or you can reach the outer edge of your feet or the big toe. Sternum directed forward, relax your shoulder and stretch your spine. The neck is a continuation of the spine. This posture has a tranquilizing effect as well as lengthening the spine and helping elimination, as a little bit we push the abdomen, we squeeze the abdomen. When you are ready, with an inhale, slowly come up. And for modification, easier version, you can bend your knee and slowly walk with the knee until you can reach the big toes. See now that you are forward bending always from the hip, never from the waist. If you don't reach your toes, then just grab your calf. Or you can have a strap and place the strap around the ball of the feet. Grab the strap and just go forward as much as you can. When you come up, inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, relax. Next, we will do a strengthening version when we only bend forward halfway. And after, we keep ourselves there for 6-8 breaths at least. You can go a little bit further down, engage all the core muscles, and when you are ready, slowly come up. And next, let's continue with a restorative posture where we place our head to a brick. Have a brick between your calf, and with an inhale, stretch your spine and exhale, bend forward. Place your forehead on the brick. Now the aim not to overstretch or to stretch our body, but only to relax, to release all the emotional and muscle tension from our body.